Yep, I had to show you another winter wonderland again from the nor'easter. How beautiful all the trees look. I don't care, I'm calling them Christmas trees. Big pine trees. Yep, we had the nor'easter and it just kept swirling around for 3-4 days. Kept dropping snow, so now the trees look beautiful again. I'm going to show you trees in winter wonderland. Driving, I showed you all the leaves, and now I'm showing you the snow. It's all, everything's cleaned up, and see the trees are laying over. Yep, it's got to really whip around and drop some snow to get up over the mountains, so this is where it dropped it all before it went up in the hills. Yep, best part for a white Christmas. The trees are gorgeous. I just love looking at the trees. Got that whole row over there. Yep, got to show you, got Sarah over here. Hi, Sarah. Hi to everybody. Yeah, she's having a good time watching all the trees. Yep, we're going up a higher elevation, 2,500 feet to 2,600 feet, so starting to get more snow here. All right, we'll pass up this car so I can clean the windshield off. Windshield clear again. We're getting up to more deeper snow. It looks a lot better. There, I guess we'll keep it at that. Yep, so I see up on the mountain up there, the snowing up there still, top. Going up the incline and be up to 2,500 feet once we get up to the top. This is where it looks the most beautiful. See the whole mountain. Got to dump snow right here to get over that mountain right there. That's why all this is covered. Why we have different elevations, different amount of snow in different places. They got a lot of snow here. They probably got 20 inches here and 25 in the mountains, so it's still snowing up the top. Right up at the top, the highest elevation right here once we get up. Mountains look cool up there. Yep, so you got more snow. Yep, beautiful. You see the mountain up there. awesome. Alright, there's the elevation sign there, but can't read it. What is it? Actually it was 1,504 feet is all we're up to, and it's got this much snow. Usually we're up to 2,500 up in the mountains. Alright, I guess we'll come down here and another little view, and then we'll end it. It's really snowing up on the mountains over there. Look how cool that looks up there. It's hard to see. I don't have any zoom on my camera, so. A lot of trees got snapped off. Can't hold the weight of the snow and the ice. But it's beautiful. Yep, can't beat it. Great place to live. Except you like the cold, but it's worth it. The beauty outweighs the cold. Well, there you have it. You see way up ahead it's snowing like crazy. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. Winter Wonderland Nor'easter.